What's going on, guys? It's Stack That Gold here, and on today's episode, we have a very special unboxing. So, as you guys know from my part 1, I recently met up with Sentu Georgie, and to my astonishment, he actually gave me this huge box here full of goodies. I do not know what's in it, guys. I did take a peek. I really don't know what is in it, so we're gonna find out together. Really quite unexpected. I honestly had nothing to give Sentu Georgie. I did get him a couple of coins that we had talked about, so I did give him those as a gift because I felt bad. I really did not expect him to give me anything, but Sentu Georgie was more than generous as usual and gave me this really big box. He apologized in advance, and he also told me in advance he apologized. He forgot I did not eat meat, and there is some type of meat product in here, so we'll see. We'll take a look together, guys. So check it out. Let's see what Sentu Georgie has sent me. He's gonna make me cry, I think, or feel really bad. You guys know already. Check it out. Happy holidays. Oh man, Georgie. Oh man. Season's greetings. Oh man, Georgie, look at this beautiful card. Oh, Merry Christmas to Stack That Gold and family. Sentu Georgie. Thank you so much, Georgie. Really beautiful penmanship you have as well. Man, you're gonna make me feel really bad now. I'm already starting to feel bad. Let's see what we got here. Thanks for buying me the coffees. Enjoy my favorite Singapore coffee, and what is that for the holidays? Treats for the holidays. So Sentu Georgie, if you guys don't know, he has a buy me coffee link. I'm gonna leave that in the description. Guys, he's an amazing content creator. He is not monetized through YouTube. Please, if you watch his channel, please donate something to him. Give him a little Christmas love, a little holiday spirit, and buy him a cup of coffee. Alright guys, let's see what type of coffee we have here from Singapore. This is the super white coffee, guys. Look at that. I'm definitely going to be drinking this, Georgie. I drink tea every day, and if I could avoid drinking coffee, I actually do. I do like coffee, but sometimes it's a little too strong for me. And we have a coffee here from Malaysia. Really awesome. Thank you so much, Georgie. This is very thoughtful of you. Whenever I'm working on a job, yes, I do drink tea and coffee. 95% coffee, 95% tea, 5% coffee. So on those days I'm really tired, I'm definitely gonna drink this. I'm definitely gonna be taking this with me to work. And let's see what else Georgie has sent me. Some little treat here. Okay, this is the meat product. This is the mini barbecue chicken. Taste of Singapore. Really nice of you, Georgie. As you know, I don't eat meat, so I really do appreciate this gift, Georgie. And this will not be going to waste. I'll be giving this to my mother. Maybe I'll even give it to a friend to try. I'll give one. So I really appreciate this, Georgie. Thank you so much. Even though you forgot that I don't eat meat, it is very thoughtful, and I really do appreciate the gift, Georgie. Oh man, Georgie, come on. What are you doing to me? Okay, I did ask Georgie to send me one thing, and I don't know. I don't think this is it. Maybe this is it. Oh wow. Look at this. Hong Bao. This is for the Chinese New Year, and I think I do know what this is. I think I did actually request this. Oh, I don't want to. Well, I guess you guys saw it already. The other one. So this is from Bullion Star. in Singapore. Check it out. I'm gonna have to check out their website. This beautiful hongbao. Give this for the Chinese New Year, which recently passed. Say Gong Si Fa Sai Ong Bao Na Lai. It's Cantonese. I don't even think Sentu Georgie knows what that means, but you could have that translated from someone who knows Cantonese. I'm not gonna tell you guys what that means. Look at this, guys. Check it out. Oh man, Georgie, look what you got me, man. 10th anniversary. Look at this. Republic of Singapore coin. Look at this, man. Oh my god. You know, I did tell Georgie, I did say in my video I might start collecting Singaporean coins. I did kind of tell him, I told him, I said, you know, the appeal of Singaporean coins is probably not as great as the appeal for Perth Mint coins. Nonetheless, I do feel that Singapore makes some beautifully packaged coins and beautiful designs. And look at that ship, guys. I really do like that design. Thank you so much, Georgie. I will have to pick up some more Singapore coins in the future. Guys, I am going to the International Coin Show here in New York. It is a huge coin show that I went to last year, and I will definitely be on the lookout for some Singaporean coins, as well as Australian coins and other coins. I can tell you from my experience that 99% of the coins there were non-American. They did have some, very few guys, very few. I think only one dealer actually had American coins there. So I'm looking forward to that. And let's get back to the mail call. So what do we have here? Ooh, look at this. Singapore uncirculated coin set. That is beautiful. Look at that design. Look at that bimetallic design. I don't know. I know one of the bronze, I'm guessing bronze aluminum, or aluminum as we say here in the US. And here we have the different denominations. Yes, they also use the dollar in Singapore as well as cents. So we have this here. Look at these names. Very nice, very beautiful flora and fauna. I'm assuming from native to Singapore. And we have the coat of arms here. And we have a little description. Cupro, nickel, and aluminum bronze. So I was pretty much right. Very nice, Georgie. Thank you so much. This is not something I probably have ever seen before. Very nice of you to get me this set from 1997. This is like 25 years old, guys. Beautiful. Check it out. We have the 1996. Both of these, I was just a kid. Yes, I was alive though. So glad you got these coins for me from when I was a child. Brings back fond memories of those years. Very nice, Georgie. Beautiful set here. Really do like these coins. They are very nice and beautiful. So thank you so much. I am waiting to get to a coin. Hopefully I will get it soon. This might be it. Let's see what this says here. This is the latest lunar year of the dragon Singapore mint medallion. Yes, this is the one that I wanted. I did request Georgie to give me this. I believe he did a giveaway, and Georgie kind of hooked me up a little bit. Sorry guys if you didn't get one. But I got mine because I asked him, and I'm glad I did because I really think this is a badass design. Look at that dragon, guys. That is beautiful. Look at that. I like this better than the 2024 Perth Mint dragon design. I think this is much nicer, honestly. Beautiful Chinese characters here. Really love this. Thank you so much, Georgie. This was something that I have really wanted. I really didn't ask you for much, and that is something that I really wanted. And you guys can see the design here in the Ongbao pouch. And thank you so much for that, Georgie. You have the little logo of the Singapore Mint. Oh man, come on, Georgie, don't. It's already too much, man. To help you get started on so you're gonna force me to start collecting Singapore coins. This album is one of our production and difficult to find brand new. Oh my god, Georgie, man. Now you've done it. Now you've done it, Georgie. You're forcing me to collect Singapore coins. I do want to collect them, Georgie. I really do. Honestly, I really want to try to. I know so little though about Singapore coins, Georgie, to be honest with you. And I'm definitely it's gonna be a learning experience. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. Complete collection. Singapore uncirculated coins. Oh my god. Check this out, guys. Try to pivot this up a little bit. Wow. And it comes with the mintage. This is almost like a Dansko album here in the US we have for coins. Look at that. Yes, send to Georgie told me the 1978 was a low mintage year when we met in person. He was telling me about it. He did give me I believe, I forgot what year already, the 1979 and maybe I want to say 80, 81. So I'm gonna have to recheck that, and I'm definitely gonna start collecting Singapore $1 coins, guys. I guess Georgie has forced me into it. I don't want to show my face, but I don't know how common they're gonna be, and the fact that the International Coin Show is coming up, I might just have to spend my time and effort looking for the Singapore uncirculated $1 coins. So this will be an interesting set to complete, and thank you so much, Send to Georgie, for forcing me into it. I will not let you down. I will be getting the complete set, Georgie. I hope to get the complete set, including the 1978. No matter how much it cost me, I will actually complete this set, not just for you, but for me as well. So thank you so much. And guys, it just keeps on going like the Energizer Bunny. I know you have the Privy coin, but I think you'll need this for your collection. Uh-oh. I got a feeling I know what this might be. This might be a Kookaburra. Might not be. Let's see what it is. This video is getting a bit long here, guys, but I don't care. I'm just gonna air it as is. Check it out. Let's see what Georgie has sent me. Oh man, Georgie. Oh wow, man. So the 2016, I have it with the Privy mark. I think it was with a monkey. I actually purchased it from a website where I recently purchased another coin. Kind of want to briefly show you that coin, but man, thank you so much, Georgie. Wow, this is the I honestly, I did want to get one that was a non-Privy one as well to have a complete collection of non-Privy ones. So thank you so much, Georgie. Really nice of you, very thoughtful of you. I know you probably took time to watch that video, as other people have done, to see my updated Kookaburra collection. So as it sits now, I'm still waiting for a couple of them in the mail from people. I have, I believe, about now maybe 16, including 2 of these. So I probably only need about another 18 more, something like that. So thank you, Georgie. You really, honestly, man, you sent me way too much stuff here, and you really should not have done it. I really am gonna have to prepare a package for you next time you're in town. I do know when you're gonna be in town again. I hope we can meet up. It is relatively soon, so in the meantime, I'm gonna be preparing something for you. And let's see what you said here. A little something to help you get started with Singapore coins. You're forcing me into collecting, Georgie. You're forcing me. Oh man, come on, Georgie. Oh my God, Georgie. Oh, man. You're giving me all these Singaporean coins, man. 66, I'm sorry, 67, 68, 69, 79, which I thought you had given me. Maybe I'm wrong. And 81. Wow. Even listed the mintage for each one, man. I'm gonna put this in my album and I will show you next time in my next video, guys. This is already getting way too long. Georgie, I just want to sincerely thank you so much for your friendship more than anything. It means more to me than all these coins and all the gold in the world. So thank you so much, Georgie. We were both a little worn out this time around. I hope next time we're a little more refreshed, and I hope to see you in the near future when you come to New York City the next time. Maybe we'll head over to Queens. We'll check out my little coin shop I found there. If not, hopefully we could check out some other cool places in New York City. And I really appreciate this, Georgie. You really got me started here on the Singapore dollar series. Now I have no excuse not to start collecting, and I'm gonna make my best effort to try to get as many of these as I can. You definitely gave me this at the right time, right before the International Coin Show. I'm sure I'm gonna be able to get a few of these there. So thank you so much, Georgie. You really are truly amazing person in this community. That's all for now, guys. I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, please like, subscribe, and as always, stack that gold.